Hi, it's Tuesday. We are now 2 days away from epic proportion Christmas in July sale. So I wanted to jump on. You should have hopefully seen a post about an email that I sent out today to my customers. Check that out. It's got pictures of some of the new releases of bobby pin. I'm sorry, I tagged this wrong. Hair sticks and hair bands. So hang on one second. I grabbed the wrong pile. Hair sticks and headbands. Okay, so this is gonna be short because I don't have much battery. Okay, so hair bands, very popular item, and also one of the more expensive ones. So this is a great time to buy those if you like them. If you haven't tried them yet, let me show you why you might like them. You might not, who knows? Okay, so this one I have added this, I think this one is called Freestyle. It's got lots of beautiful beading on it. You can add to it one of two things. This is a magnet clip. So if you have a hard time with the little clasps, you can get this to add on, or you can get a jewelry chain. And the jewelry chains have recently reduced in price. Have you ever heard of such a thing? The normal price of these has reduced. I think they're $6 now. They used to be $10 now, or maybe $8, but it may be $6. So you can, there are these in several different color options. The magnet is only in silver, but those are great little add-ons. So you can just wear that as a necklace. You can make it longer or shorter or whatever you want to do with those chains. Now the hair bands all come with your choice of color and length. There's a standard and a long. Most people can wear the standard. I prefer the long, but I can wear the standard, but I have a really big head if you know me at all. So these are nice and stretchy, and you can adjust the length there. And they're very comfortable. I love to wear mine like this and just pull back and put a flexi in the back there like that. I'm not going to go through all that because, like I said, battery's getting low. But you can put all your hair in it. And it is extremely comfortable and stretchy to get on wherever you want it, okay? And so there you go. You've got a nice snug fit, but not tight and uncomfortable, so you're not going to have that headache. I always had a problem with headbands poking me right here, and they're very uncomfortable. But there you go. That is how those work. Now, moving to hair sticks, one of the least expensive items. Guys, these are like $8, so on sale. I don't know which ones are going to be on sale for how much, but you can snag as many of these as you want.